I have somebody very special for you to share with you today. This is a pet that lives on the farm with us. Her name, I'm going to give you a riddle. She's a reptile. She is nocturnal. She sleeps at night or sleeps in the day. She has scales. She has dry, scaly skin. She likes to wrap her arms to her body tightly around things. She's a constrictor. She is called a ball python. And she is would you like to help? Come on in. I'm going to introduce you to Trinity. She's going to this is Trinity. Trinity is the owner of this ball python, and she wants to help right now. This is a snake that lives at our farm.
She just sheds, so she's beautiful.
Okay. So Trinity, can you bring this python's name is Poptart. So can we all wave hello to Poptart? Hello, Poptart. So Poptart, thank you, Trinity. If you can keep holding her. Poptart is a reptile. So that means she's cold-blooded. She needs sunlight or a heat lamp to keep her body warm. She can't keep her body warm by herself. She's also a vertebrate. So a vertebrate means that she has a long backbone called a spine. Can everybody please feel on their back? Miss Carly and Miss Sharon, maybe you can help show. Can everybody touch their bones, their vertebrate on their spine, on their back? Poptart has the same. All along her back, it feels the same way. It is. What a great way to describe that. It's raised.
When it comes to a point, she's rounded.
So
And she's healthy.
She is.
And she's at a healthy weight.
Oh, good. Poptart is also, because she's a vertebrate, she lays soft-shelled eggs. So if you imagine like a little chicken egg, except the chicken egg, instead of the shell being hard, it's kind of squishy, like a leather pouch. That is what Pop-Tart's eggs will feel like if she lays eggs. Pop-Tart is also a carnivore. Carnivore means, Miss Carly, I'm going to go a little rogue here. Can somebody raise their hand and remind us all, what kind of food does a carnivore eat? Put your face down into the picture here, and I can even take Pop-Tart for a moment. What kind of food does Pop-Tart eat?
Pop-Tart eats mice.
And how often does Pop-Tart eat mice?
About every 2 weeks. She's not really we're not holding her that much lately, so we can do it a little less because she's not as active. But usually around every 2 weeks because of her size and her age. We got her when she was about 8 months old, so I think she's about like a year and 8 months now because we've had her for about a year. Maybe a year and a little more.
So she's just getting started.
Yeah.
And she likes to eat mice just about once a week. So that's the kind of meat she eats. Thanks, Trinity.
The reason she's called a ball python is this species of python, if they're scared or stressed, they'll curl up into a little ball with their head in the center to protect their head.
Really? So pythons, the snake really likes to feel safe. And they like to feel safe in their cage as well. And we'll take a look at their cage in a moment. So after Pop-Tart gets bigger and she eats and she grows just like you do, she sheds her skin. And Trinity, if I take Pop-Tart, can you show the skin that just shed? I've got her, thanks.
So Pop-Tart just had a really nice shed.
And the camera's right there.
This isn't a full shed. If she has a full shed, it would literally just be skin in a circle, like as long as she is. But it's a pretty nice shed.
Yeah, and can you hold the skin really close to the camera so they can take a look at it? And children, please look closely and kind of shine it in the lights. They can get a sense of texture. And let's see, can you think of some ways to describe the skin?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can. So if you look at the skin, we're going to raise our hand, and Miss Carly, can you help by this is Pop Tart's habitat. So habitat is another way of saying home. She lives, I'm going to turn the phone and see if that gives you a better view. She lives with a heat lamp to keep her body
I can't
warm.
hear them still.
She has sticks to climb and explore on. Oops. She has a bowl of water that she likes to spend time in, and she bathes in the water and she drinks it. And then this is her special rock home. This is where she sleeps. And that's her poop. The yellow is the poop. So everybody poops. So that's where she likes to live. And it's really, she likes her green space as well. And so during the day, she will sleep in her rock home right there. And then at night, she starts to explore on the sticks. Yeah, she's nocturnal. She's likes to sleep in the day and stay awake and explore at night. So, thank you. Oh my goodness, there she is. Now we're going to all wave goodbye to Pop Tart. Thank you, Pop Tart. Bye bye, Pop Tart. Can we all wave goodbye to Pop Tart? Bye bye, Pop Tart. Thank you. And then everyone, Miss Carly is going to help me with this part.